We chose to knock down and rebuild, given we already had an investment property here. We love the location. It's close to schools, cafes, public transport. It's easy to get around from here. And this is just where we wanted to build.
We really love this area, and rather than having to purchase a home somewhere else and renovate the home, we wanted to choose a spot that we really liked and build a custom designed home on that block.
We chose Burbank because of the expertise, and it's just been a seamless process, and we're delighted with the result.
We did consider the idea of buying an established home. We thought it would be more ideal for us to start from scratch, design everything ourselves and make it a bit more custom fit to our needs. It took us a while to find the design that we liked, and then we met the Burbank sales team, and we've just found that they were very accommodating in allowing us to make some changes to the existing plans, which was important to us because we had a particular design in mind, and the Burbank team were amazing. They didn't say no to pretty much any of our requests. Our house was built sooner than we expected. It was a very stress-free, hassle-free process with Burbank.
We're looking for a home that would fit the block that we had for starters. Burbank had a really good selection of different sizes. There's one that was quite large that would fit the block, and basically there was a lot of flexibility with what we could do.
One thing that I really wanted in my dream home was to have a void in a living area, and Burbank had a few selections that we could pick. That's what we went with in the end, and then we wanted to also have larger bedrooms for the children and for ourselves. We've managed to design a larger entertainment area as well.
So what we like about the interior and the colours, it's got that contemporary look. It's just timeless, and I think it looks classy.
What makes this home special to us is that it's very specific to what we were looking for in our dream home. It gives us lots of space to grow into. We're able to entertain more, which was something that we didn't have previously. And it's extra special because we got to pick every little part of the house. We pick the colours and the rooms and the sizes and everything. And so it'll always be our forever home.
I'm delighted, really. I'm delighted to be in this new home. It's what we aimed for so long, and it was all made possible by Burbank and the team. Yeah, we couldn't be happier.